Our Maytag washing machine is making a loud screeching sound when in certain points of the wash cycle. I believe it is when it first begins the fast spin. But not positive. It happens about 2 times each load we do.
Is your Maytag washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top loading. I think it's about 2 to 3 years old, maybe 1 to 2 years. I'm looking it up.
How long has this been going on with your Maytag washer? What have you tried so far?
About a month. I have checked inside and around the tub as much as I am able. It's pretty clean. We don't overload it. I really don't know what to do. We use it quite a bit. Family of 5, all grown kids, so a lot of use.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just think we probably need someone to look at it.
Hello, I would be happy to help you. Do you have the model number?
MBWC 565 FW1.
Okay, thanks. Does it make the noise while spinning or washing?
It makes noise while spinning.
Okay, thanks. Tilt the washer back against the wall and remove the plastic cover under it by removing the 2 screws holding it on. Then they cycle and let me know what happens.
Okay, I am not going to be able to do that physically. This is not what I need. I am going to need a technician or repairman to come to my house and fix this.
Most likely it is rubbing the pulley cover. I would recommend calling Whirlpool, who owns Maytag, at ###. They have great customer service. With it being just out of warranty, most likely they will help you with the cost of this repair. They will send you a factory authorized service provider in your area to help you.
Thank you.
You are welcome. I'm sorry for your trouble. If you need any more information or help, let me know. My username is. You have a great day. Please don't forget to rate me. Please give me a good rating. You may have to log into the app or JustAnswer.com to rate me.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.